Hello, 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 lovely people. Welcome. All too soon. It's day 12, and all good things must come to an end. Yeah, all things shall pass away except the word of God. So today we are making this beautiful, beautiful air fried chicken legs. Okay, so these are seasoned to perfection. They are so tasty, right? And they are just beautiful. So I made this to go with my purple rice. Yeah. So I hope you enjoy this one too. It is very easy and straightforward. All you need to literally do is to get your spices and blend them. So let's get into it and see what the spices I use for the marinade. Okay, so I use some rosemary and some thyme in there. I have some fennel, some cardamom, and some star anise. Okay, so as you can see, I have some ginger and garlic and these chili peppers and this onions, okay, red onions or purple onions, however you want to call it. So I'm going to put all these together and blend it later on. So here is my chicken. It's just chicken legs. I have a few pieces here. So yes. So what I'm going to do to score the chicken legs, okay, so that all the flavors from the marinade will get into the flesh and it will season it nicely, and you taste every bit of the seasoning in the chicken and you are like, okay, yes, you're eating something good here. Okay, so in goes all my ingredients, and I'm going to be adding some olive oil to blend it. Okay, so to make my blade turn easy to turn. You can add water if you want, but I decided to add oil instead. Okay, so I just give it a few blades, and then yeah, that was it. Just it was ready to go. So as you can see, I'm adding a bit of salt here to taste. I nearly forgot that. I always nearly forget, but I never forget. Trust me, I never. It's always there, nearly. Okay, so yeah, it's all ready, and I'm going to massage it into this meat. Okay, so as you can see, my hands are going to go in there, and yeah, to massage it to make sure that everything is coated, every meat. And shout out go to Pretty Hetty. Okay, Pretty Hetty was the one massaging this, because yeah, I wasn't doing it. It was Pretty Hetty massaging it under my instructions, actually under my eagle eye instructions, if I can say that. Okay, so thank you, Hetty, for the help on that day. So yeah, we just cover it and set it aside, yeah, for at least half an hour for it to marinate. Pop it in the fridge and make sure, it's marinated properly. Okay, so 30 minutes later, it's all good to go. You can do it overnight, actually, and we're just going to pop it into our air fryer. Okay, so into the tray, and then we pop it in for 25 minutes for each side. Okay, so that's what I did. I set it at 180 degrees Celsius on the air fryer. I think every air fryer is different. I don't know, but mine, that is how it cooks my chicken to perfection. Okay, so set it in and then turn it on. Set it on chicken, then set it on 180 degrees, then 25 minutes, then I press on, then it starts. So after 25 minutes, it beeps, and then I turn all the chicken over. And as you can see, one side is cooked beautifully and the other side will be cooked in the next 25 minutes. Okay, so it appears that you would think that maybe it's the other side would bend. No, it doesn't bend. I don't know how this machine works. Okay, I don't know, just don't know. So here it is, nice and beautifully fried, air fried. Yeah, so yeah, this is very simple. All that you need to get your spices together, blend it and pop it. You can use it an oven, actually, and just grill it or roast it or whatever, and it will still come out beautifully. Okay, so that is it, and thank you all for staying with me in these 12 days. It's not been easy for me. It's not been easy. I'm sure you have noticed it, but yeah, I got there in the end. with all the support I got from you, my subscribers, and my viewers, and those who are yet to subscribe. Please do subscribe before you leave if you haven't, and you have already subscribed. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your support constantly. I really do appreciate it. And stay blessed, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I wanna do the things that you